Okay, we're going to show you today our lithium ion jump box. So the way this works here, we've got it hooked up to our battery, and we're going to show you here how this is about to jump start a motorhome. Powerful lithium ion jump box. It's portable. We'll show you here how to hook it up in a second, but we're gonna watch as this jump starts a motorhome. There she blows. Now we'll show you how it connects. This is the battery pack. So small and portable, designed for 12 volt. You can see it indicates how charged it is there. We've got this boost button. It boosts the power for something large like a motorhome. We've got it connected to our batteries. And then you simply start it up. So you can see here our lightweight, small, portable jump box. We just jump started this motorhome. Pretty simple to use. You open up this flap right here. That's where your jumper cables connect. Take your jumper cables, plug them in, and you're ready to go. You can see the indicator shows that we've got good battery life. And then for something large like this, we simply had to hit this boost button right here, and now it's on boost. It'll boost the energy that's going through these cords right here. So I'm not going to touch them together. It'll make a fireworks show. And then you just simply hook up your negative to your negative terminal, positive to your positive terminal, and go in and start your vehicle. Very easy to use. When you're done, unplug it. You've also got a charger right here for your regular phone charger. And then you've got a flashlight here. So if you need to use a flashlight, you've got it. You've got different modes. You can attract attention. There you have it.